Hello there, my name is Emin, representing company EMCsoft. In this video, I wanted to show you how you can use one number which you get from Twilio for calls, for outgoing and incoming calls, and for SMS, for outgoing and incoming SMS. So this is very important when you talk to a client, and in the same time when you're talking to a client, in the same time you can send him SMS. Okay, so like it's your personal number. So what you need to do for that? First of all, you need to go to the market, and in the market type SMS. So here you got two our applications, SMS and call center. So you need to get them both. Click on the SMS first of all and click install. All right, close that for a while. We'll back to it. Then click on call center and install. So we got the same settings page. We'll close that for now. So refresh, and in left menu we got SMS and we go call center. So we will put them together. Then now you need to go back to the Twilio. So in the side of the Twilio, you need to register Twilio account first. Then if you have no number, you need to go to phone numbers. If you have no that menu, you need to click explore products, and explore products you need to pin messaging and you need to pin voice to have them here, and you need to pin phone numbers. Once you got all of these items here, you need to click phone numbers, manage, and go to active numbers. If you have no active numbers, go to buy a number. So if buy a number, you can select your country, then using these filters, find number you need and buy it. Simple. Now then, once you manage with phone numbers, go to the main page and copy account seed. Copy it, open text file, type it here account seed, then type here API key. So you will get inside of the API keys page. If you have any API keys, of course, you need to click create a new one. Click create API key. So I need to put here any name. I will put test. You can leave as it is here and click create. Right, now important stage. You need to copy this seed, copy it, seed and secret. Now I need to check box and done. Now you got created API key, and now you will connect via this API key SMS and calls. Go back to Bitrix. First of all, open the SMS. Right, and copy keys we created. Okay, account seed here, secret here, and install. So you need to put here your personal phone number. If you don't want to put any phone number, just ignore that field. Okay, here you can set up a phone number which will belong to all users. So all users able to use this phone number to send SMS, right? But also you can select a phone number which will belong particular for each user. So for example, I can set up that number for myself, so only Emin Mamedov able to use that number to send SMS. And I click again, select this number and select another person, save, and that means that that number will belong to that person. So only Yulia able to use that phone number for outgoing SMS. So this is a very important to know that outgoing SMS, you can select a phone number for outgoing SMS, but once you will get incoming SMS will connect to the lead, contact, companies and deals, and notification will be sent to person who is responsible for the object. Object means lead, contact, company and deals. So if you not manage to with this part, just send us help me now. Contact us via that page and we absolutely happy to help you. And the same, you got 50 SMS for free, and after that 50 SMS you need to pay $10 per month to using that app. So we're done with SMS. Now you're closing that, and now you open a call center and use absolutely the same numbers. Copy that, account seed, API seed and secret. and install. That's it. You need to assign phone number for particular user which able to use for outgoing calls. You need to buy a license, $10 per portal, so unlimited user, unlimited SMS. For calls, you need to buy one license for each user, right? So I got free license, means I can add free phone numbers and select person. You can add multiple by some person. For example, if you want to make a calls, for example, this is important for United States, if you want to make a calls for each state or even for each city with local numbers, you can buy that numbers in Twilio. Better to assign friendly name in Twilio, like not number 1, number 2, like Los Angeles, New York, Texas, and so on, and assign all these numbers for one user, because we charge for users, not by numbers. Okay, and then click save, right? So save, and that's it. Now you need to assign now a call center's default telephony. For that you need to go to CRM, click more, adds on telephony, go to config telephony, telephony settings, application call center number, application call center 24, and save. Right, now we able to make a test. Go to test, click on the phone number. Right, so to be sure that you call center is working for you, you will have this extension for the standard Bitrix caller interface. In other words, it's WebRTC. So when you call, you're able to select number from which you want to call, okay, and start the call. So you're doing the call, how to use this conference call, contacts, mode, pause, you can get to know from in our video. Right, so we're able to call. Now we close that. For the same number, I want to send SMS. Click more, select Twi SMS, and to which number you want to send, and type test, and send. So I got SMS. Now I'm replying. Right, as I mentioned that I didn't get notification because it was belonged to another person. Now assign that lead to me, and I will send another SMS. Right, this notification. So I got incoming SMS. So very simple, and save. So I used one number, 1858 for SMS, and I use another number, but I can assign myself. Okay, and save. So, and I use the same number for outgoing calls and incoming calls as well. Okay, that's it. Again, if you have troubles with installation, please click help me now here, and we absolutely happy to help with installation. So thank you, enjoy SMS and call center, and bye bye.